This bacon-wrapped air fryer asparagus has no business being this good, and it's so easy it barely qualifies as a recipe. First, trim off the woody ends of the asparagus. Either cut them or just snap them. They'll break exactly where they should. Now season with a 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, an 1/8 of a teaspoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of Parmesan, and 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Give everything a good mix. Now lay about 4 asparagus spears on a slice of thin-cut bacon. Wrap it once to lock it in, then angle it and spiral up to the top. Weave it between one of the spears and tuck it into itself. Now wrap up the rest of your spears and we're ready to cook. Throw them into a preheated air fryer at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 16 minutes and give them a good flip halfway for maximum crispiness. And look at that. Crispy, smoky, ridiculously easy. This is one you're gonna nail on your first try. Want more easy air fryer wins? Hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you next week.